and then we're gonna get off into this thing. It's gonna be real short and painless, and you guys are gonna be like, "Thank God, the blessings just keep coming." There's plenty room to capitalize in this new global economy, all right, that's unfolding literally right before our eyes. All of this is unfolding, this new digital transformation. A couple of years ago, I made a post. I showed people, hey, Facebook is investing or has bought over 200 VR patents. What does that mean? That means something. Okay, big time corporation here making billions a day. You understand? And it's a free platform, but they're making billions of dollars a day, and they're on the World Economic Forum of top 100 companies in the world. Okay, follow the money. You have to follow the money. And so what I'm about to show you all right quick, let me go ahead. I forgot to mute everybody. Let me go ahead and do that real quick.
First thing we have a nice savory chili. We have a nice crunch mosquito. We have it.
There we go. There we go. You all, nice to see you on, Sean. Glad you can make it out, buddy. Good news is unfolding right now. I see you, brother. You're up in the house. Thank you for coming out. Like I said, free Bitcoin is always a nice thing. And $25 worth of free Bitcoin now, okay, by the end of the day, not the end of today, but at the end of all of this cryptocurrency craze movement, can be worth anywhere from $25,000 to $250,000. So it's very important that what I'm about to show you, you guys jump on, go ahead, get the free money, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get up to 25. That was scary. Show you guys how to get up to $2,500, and this is all for free, okay? Cree, you need to get in here. Let me see if she can get in here real quick. Right, fast, because this is amazing. I don't want anybody really to miss it. Okay, great. We are in the event. Say right now, join up in the group. That's not what I did. That's not what I did, guys. All right, join up in the group. Let me see if I can go ahead and message her. Okay, free Bitcoin Zoom. Thank you for your patience, everybody. Okay, as I'm helping people get locked in here. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm going to show you guys what we're over here talking about. Okay, now right here, you guys are going to see a new company brewing. This is Voyager. Okay, the partners right here are Ethos, Plaid, and Bitco. If you do not know any of these partners right here, Bitco, number one, Google it, pre-search it, get paid in free Bitcoin to search the internet, pre-search. I'll show you guys that. But Bitco is one of the largest multi-sig platforms for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And if you can see here, let me go over there, okay? Goldman Sachs' Michael Novogratz is about to create $1 trillion crypto wallet with Bitco. What do you think that's going to do for the price of Bitcoin? You're right. It's going to throw it out the roof. The last benchmark that Bitcoin reached was $20,000. That is baby numbers for the overall view of the price of Bitcoin when you're talking about Bill Gates and other like-minded business personnel, professionals saying and being in this space of digital technology, okay, they know what's going on, all right? And if they're saying that one Bitcoin is going to be $100,000, $1 million a coin, you have to pay attention to what they're saying. Now, it's not that right now, but as investors or as speculators in the coin, you definitely want to take advantage and get it by any means necessary and at the best prices. There's no better price to get a Bitcoin than a free price. Okay, I hope that's plain and simple to see. All right, and so right here, this was actually 14 hours ago. You can see that the whole news world is going crazy over this, and the last weeks we've seen Bitcoin do some crazy jumping, going almost up to $8,000 from the $6,000 and $5,000 range. That means somebody knows what's going on the inside. You have to understand that. And if you're marking up the screen, if you could please just delete that. Maybe you're on a tablet or the phone. That would be amazing. I can't do it on my side. Just erase what's going on, or maybe, you know what I mean, get it back from your little baby. Get him a toy. Wait, you can't. Toys R Us is out of business. Man, that's because the technology and the boom and the new digital transformation that's going on, these companies that know they need to pull out of the market and put their money and efforts into something else, they're doing that. That's why you also seen Sears fold, okay, this last week. If you guys don't know, Sears gone, okay, gone. All right, and they're not the only ones leaving. That's why it's very important you guys are paying attention to the move that's going on. You don't want to miss another boom. If you missed the boom in 2000, if you missed Facebook, if you missed Amazon, if you missed Walmart, if you missed investing in all of these great large companies that you use on a regular basis, you don't want to miss out on this digital transformation, and you don't want to miss out on getting free Bitcoin, because I'm going to tell you right now, the ones who are waiting to see what's going on, or they're not really paying attention because they really don't care about finances and being rich and all that, they're going to be the ones to pay the heavy price, and we're going to be sitting back capitalizing off of their lack of want. Do you understand? Their lack of want to explode their financial situations, okay? It's not all about us. It's about our generations that are coming up after us. What do you want your kids to be? Okay, what do you want your kids to be? Do you want them to be playing from way behind, or do you want to help them get a nice step up in life? That's what it's all about. So you really want to think about everything that you do in life for your children's children. You want to start building wealth for them, not just for your next car payment, or not just for, you know, your rent or something like that. You want to be building real time, big time wealth. Okay, so now that you guys see, okay, how important it is to really pay attention to what I'm about to show you, because Bitcoin is about to do some crazy things, and you want to be there to capitalize. And after you guys see this big boom happening, okay, what we're going to be talking about further in the Forex community group that you guys are actually in, that you joined, okay, what you're going to be seeing is we're going to be teaching people how to get out of the markets properly, so they're not holding on to the lost potential profits that they could have got. It's just a market thing, and you just have to be in that mindset of, hey, I have this Bitcoin, I have this altcoin, I have this house, I have this house, I have this business. When do I collect on my profits and then get back into that market after it deflates a little bit? Okay, so we'll be talking about that much further, but right now let's go ahead and get this free Bitcoin, y'all. Okay, so you guys see what's going on here, right? You see the partners, you see how big it is. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys. Let me go up here real quick. Okay, and these are the founders of Voyager. All right, now what Voyager is, let's go to the top. Okay, Voyager, okay, they say here, we believe that crypto assets are the future of finance and investing, and they're right, because the whole blockchain is introducing a new payment system That's all it is. It's a new payment system, because how the world is changing, people are going to have to be getting paid differently. Do you understand? We're getting away from cash. We're going more towards debits and credits. That's what we've been doing the whole time. Once we had checks, now you can't even use checks anymore. You have to use your debit, credit card, or cash. Well, we're getting rid of the cash because, you know, what they say is it's just too many different avenues for criminals to use, and they can't track the activity so well. And so the blockchain is going to allow for that real-time tracking, and it's also going to allow for not allow, but it's going to disallow the ability for people to make multiple different types of fraudulent ways to gain more capital. Okay, i.e., an example, in the credit debit system that is out right now, and this is why a lot of businesses, they pay a lot of fees. When you go to their store and you swipe a credit card, they pay a lot of fees, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars a month on fees, okay, because you use your credit card. Okay, not only that, when you use the credit and debit system of today, let's say you go to a store and you actually get something, you can call your bank and be like, hey, I don't know where this charge came from, can you take it off? Well, now that store is getting charged back. Okay, and a lot of people who are entrepreneurs and business owners online, they know all about chargebacks. It's the worst thing that could possibly happen to you. You understand? And so the blockchain is going to negate all of that and is going to stop all of that. Okay, and that's what they're moving towards, the blockchain. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other altcoins are leading the way in that. But right now, let's talk about Bitcoin and how you can get that free 25. So basically, right here is what you see. They're creating the broker that the crypto market deserves. Okay, we are a team of finance and technology industry veterans dedicated to empowering and servicing investors in the most exciting asset class to date, crypto. Now, right now, fiat and inside the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, okay, grossing over $5 trillion a day. The crypto markets are going to smash that. So there's going to be a lot of wealth generated, like there already has been within the crypto markets. And you guys definitely want to be there, okay? Now, some of their founders, okay, have combined their decades worth of experience from leading organizations like E-Trade, Uber, Traded, Lightspeed Financial, and more, and they're bringing to you guys Voyager. So these are some big time names in the industry today. These are some big time names. So you definitely want to be part of this mission, and they're paying you guys right now $25 in Bitcoin just to sign up. Not only that, they're going to give you, as you can see up here, $25 free for each friend that opens an account with them. Now, what you're going to be able to do inside of this Voyager account is basically it's going to be set up so that when you have your cryptocurrency in there, okay, it searches through all of the best markets, okay, for trading crypto, and it trades your crypto for you. Whoo! That's amazing. So we definitely want to see this occur, and we definitely want to see this happen. So what I'm going to do here right now, I'm going to get you guys started, and then I'm going to show you guys the simple, easy steps. All right, and as this unfolds, I'll be going live, and we'll be doing some questions and answers, okay, on who is this for, who can participate right now, because I know you guys are going to be having those types of questions, and I definitely want to answer those for you. But right now, we can go ahead and we can get you guys started so you can get your free 25 and start getting your friends introduced to this and start getting your 25 by helping your friends find out about Voyager, okay? And this is going to be a limited time, so I definitely say take this very seriously, okay? So what you want to do is you can actually go to this website right here. I'll go ahead and I'll give you my link. Now there's a screen I'm going to show you guys, your back office for Voyager. You don't want to show that publicly because your Bitcoin, your back office and your Bitcoin could be compromised. I'll show you guys that, all right, what it looks like. But let me go ahead. I'm going to stop sharing screen real quick, and let me go ahead and get this from my back office. All right, if that's fair enough. I'm glad to see you guys on. I'm glad to see you guys wanting to do a lot more, okay, for you and your generations. I think that is just a precious characteristic from humans like today, because a lot of people, they're just too complacent in what's going on. You know what I mean? So let me go ahead. Let me click this. Okay, let me get that. All right, and we're good there. And then I'm going to show you guys the different sets of emails that they're going to send to you. Okay, let me bring it back to the share screen. Right to the quick. Okay, and so right here in the chat, you can click that link, okay? Or if you go to the website, let me go back there, okay? If you go to the website, right here, www.investvoyager.com, you can literally press the sign up button, okay? And it'll take you to a screen that looks like this. Now, when your friends click on your link, this invited right here, it will be striped out. Okay, that means they clicked on your link and is tied to you, and you're going to get rewarded for them signing up. Okay, and then they're going to get rewarded for signing up as well, the $25 in free Bitcoin, which is huge. Any price for getting Bitcoin, there's no better price than free. I'm just going to tell you that right now. And so all you have to do is go ahead, you put your name in, blah, 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 put your state, boom, 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 okay? And then you're going to click sign up, all right? Now, if you went to the site, you'll just have to put my code in right there, all right? And then you can see inside my link, my code is 1TG45M4. Okay, that will be my code, and you can go ahead, you can put that in, and we could both get rewarded. Free biddies, man. What are you talking about, guys? Who's excited? I'm so excited right now. I'm so pumped. Is it the coffee? No, it's the Bitcoin, guys. Come on. It might be the coffee. It might be a little bit of the coffee. Okay, so once you press that sign up button, this is what's going to happen. You want to go directly to your email, and you're going to have to confirm. The first email that you're going to get is going to be that confirm email, okay? And once you do that, well, this is the screen that you'll see after you do the sign up. Where were we? After you do the sign up, that's the screen you're going to see. Once you press that sign up button, it's going to say you're almost ready for takeoff. Check your inbox. It's very easy and very simple. Like, this is painless. Okay. And then once you click on that, all right, it's going to bring you to a screen that says subscription confirmation. Thank you for confirming your email address. Once you get this screen, go back to your email, because they're going to send you these two. You can see here Daz has signed up already. Thank you, Daz. You're in the forefront. You already know what's going on with crypto, and if there's anybody that understands any price better than free Bitcoin, Daz, I know you know, because you hooked me up in the past with some free Bitcoin opportunities. Thank you so much. And I'm just glad to be able to share this opportunity with you as well. And that's just true friendship, guys. Okay, and then you're going to get the second email right here, all right? You'll go ahead, click that open, read it, see what you got to do, and then they're going to send you the third email. Both of these emails are actually sent to you at the same time after you confirm, okay? But this third email, you never want to show anybody. It has your personal information in there, and your account can be compromised. So when you accrue your Bitcoin, if your account has been compromised because you're showing people your information, okay? And that's another thing. Don't show anybody your back office unless it's a pic and you're showing them like this. All right, if you guys can see this picture, just take a picture, okay, and show them a picture, and then that's fine, and you'll be able to see, okay, your pending rewards. All right, and we're going to talk about that pending here shortly, okay? But you're going to click on that, and then you'll be able to not only get your referral link, and also inside your dashboard, this is your dashboard here. You'll see down here at the bottom left, okay, you can copy this, you can tweet it out, you can share it directly to Facebook, or you can share it directly to Messenger. So if you have group chats in Messenger, you definitely want to say, hey guys, I just want to say thank you for being inside this group chat. Who wants a free $25 in Bitcoin? Just, hit a thumbs up or something like that. And then after a couple of thumbs up, you just go ahead and send that link there inside your little group chat there on Messenger. Same thing, tweeting it out. Okay, go ahead and get as many people in on this because it's a good thing for them. And it's better for you because that's a lot of free Bitcoin that you guys can be getting. Just think about that, okay? If you have a large list, you definitely want to shoot this out to them because that's a lot of free Bitcoin. If anybody has ever tried to spend their paycheck or their last money or even try to trade to accrue Bitcoin, it's fairly difficult, okay? But there's no easier way than a free way, and Voyager is offering that, and that's the best thing about being in the forefront of booming technologies and booming infrastructures and booming global environments pertaining to business and finances. You reap the benefits of being in first. And everybody who is accruing Bitcoin and cryptocurrency right now, you are in the forefront. I know crypto's been out for a while and people, it's still up in the air what they're feeling about Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. They're going to have to use cryptocurrency anyways because that's where the banks and all the top corporations are moving. That's why you see Voyager, okay? E-Trade, Uber, those are huge companies. When they're merging and they're getting into the crypto space, you go in right with them. And since you're able to participate now, this is the best time to do it when they're rewarding you to do it and do it for free. That way you can start out in the front of everybody else, and you did it for free because free is very easy and painless. When you're asking people to invest money, that's when things start to become very difficult. So go ahead, run wild with this, create your accounts. It's free. Get the Bitcoin. If this is not available to you, you still want to create your account so that you can be on the list, and when it opens up for your area, whichever region that might be in, you'll be able to get in and reap the same benefits. Do you understand? I know for sure right now, off the top of my head, U.S. participants, you got a green light. I haven't seen anything that says, Florida can't participate or New York can't participate. I know before some of those regions weren't able to get Coinbase accounts because they were heavily regulated, okay? And they weren't able to get, like BitPay Visa cards so that you can actually spend your Bitcoin where Visa is recognized, okay? But I haven't seen anything say anything like that so far. I woke up, literally woke up today, and I was just like checking, I randomly checked the prices of crypto and see where it's going, and I ran into this, and I was like, come on, God, why are you so good, man? Why are you so great? Okay. So I hope you guys really take advantage of this, because hey, I'm telling you right now, when after this next Bitcoin boom, you're not going to see the prices of cryptocurrency where they're at right now. I doubt you'll ever see those prices ever again. And so going forward, we're going to be showing you guys when to cash out and when to take advantage of altcoins and when to cash out of those altcoins, because it's all about compounding your revenue, compounding your interest step by step by step. A lot of people have a lotto mentality, and that's why you see the lottery. I think, Mom, you were saying earlier, the lotto's over $1 billion right now. People don't understand they're being compounded against. Do you understand? You think that you can win that $1 billion? Guess what you're going to do? You're going to spend $1 to $20 a day getting lotto tickets. You're going to spend $1 to $20 a week getting lotto tickets. Why? Because somebody didn't win the $500 million pot. Okay, next drawing. Did I win? No. Who won? Nobody? Great. It's at $750 million now. Great. Let's put in some more money and let's win again. Millions and millions of people are doing this. They're making billions and billions of dollars a day. Even though the lottery right now is $1 billion, they're making that in seconds off of you guys being compounded against. And so you definitely want to get into the mind frame of compounding your profits, okay, and raising your capital, raising your investing capital, raising your capital. This is all wealth for your generations to come. Please take advantage. Right now, if anybody has any questions on what you've seen, let's go ahead and let's run through those questions, okay? And we can try and get those answered right now. But honestly, what you guys see right here is just nutty butter, okay? This is just crazy, and it's actually a blessing, to be honest. Can you put the link up again, please? Okay. Let me see here. And it's literally, I don't know if you can see Cree. I'm going to type it to you. I don't know if you can copy it from where you are. And I'll also send it to you in Messenger right here. Okay. So you can go ahead, you can click on that from wherever you are and create your account. And it's very easy and it's very simple. Very easy and very simple. Also, after you guys create your account, read up on what's going on here. Any blogs, any news, the more knowledge you have, the better you can share it with people, the better you can share it with the right people, okay? To be honest, I don't know who in their right mind will say no to a free $25 in Bitcoin, and not only that, the ability to expand it to $2,500. Matter of fact, I'll run through that real quick.